Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue of Bing search not working in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to clear the browsing data. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Now you can click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time and select clear now. The next solution will be to disable problematic extensions. And how would you do that? So open Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select this option here which says extensions and then click on manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension here, try disabling it by switching off the switch and then click on remove if that helps, because that means that the extension was the issue. The next solution is to update Microsoft Edge. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback and select about Microsoft Edge. This will update it, and on the same page, if it doesn't help, then go to reset settings, select restore settings to the default value and reset it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.